Hi, my name is Vince McLean. I'm a CPA. So you're a 1099 contractor, and you have to pay your own taxes now. And not only that, it's not just the end of the year. You're going to have to pay quarterly taxes if you owe any money at the end of the year over $1,000 in taxes. And if you don't, you'll be penalized for that. So you're going to have to determine how much money you're going to make and how much your expenses and deductions are, and you're going to have to make quarterly payments, or at the end of the year, you're going to be paying for that. So car expense. If you're writing off your car, make sure you take your standard mileage deduction the first year if you're going to use it at all. Because if you don't, and you take the actual expenses the first year, you cannot use the standard. But if you use the standard mileage, you can use the actual the next year and go back and forth. A little loophole in that thing. I don't know why they have that, but that's one of the little laws that a lot of people don't know. And your home office deduction, and they have a simplified, but there's a little bit you have to determine on which one's best for you. A lot of people get scared about depreciating their home and everything, but it really does benefit you because you do save on Social Security, Medicare taxes. But I mean, that's a case by case basis. In most cases, it should benefit you. Um, then there's all the other expenses. It's hard to say which expenses you have. It depends on which industry you're in. But there's not just the ramifications of the expenses and everybody's trying to save money. It's a lot to do with is not spending money, and that's something CPAs can really help you with because we see a lot of businesses and we have a lot of business experience. We know about the programs and what you really need to know to keep up with your taxes. Like, do I need QuickBooks Online? Do I even need QuickBooks? There's desktop. I mean, there's just a lot of money you could actually just be putting out, and you're trying to save money on not, using an accountant when you're actually spending more money on stuff you really don't need. You could have had an accountant, a trusted advisor all year, someone taking care of your taxes for you, and you could ask tax questions to all year long, and it's only like $100, $200 more than you're actually going to spend doing it yourself and wasting a week of your time at the end of the year learning all the new tax laws. And a week of your time, you probably would have made more money than you would have actually paid out the accountant, not including the money that we're actually going to save you and expenses you shouldn't be using. So, hey, give me a call, 727-488-1637, or just email me, vincemclean@hotmail.com, and I'll be glad to talk to you and help you out. I'm no high pressure salesperson. I'm just gonna give you advice on what you need to do, because I mean, if you're successful, I know eventually you're going to need an accountant. You're going to need someone. You're going to move up to S corp and 1120S, and you're going to need someone to help you with this. And once you realize that I am here to help you, you'll be more likely to use me. So that's really my goal, and to help you succeed, so I can succeed. So, like I said, give me a call or go to my website, Vince McLean. Bye.